I've just parked up at the depot, loaded my vehicle, and guess what I am doing today? For the first time in my life, I am going to a car boot sale. This is inspired by my friends in England, people like Ricky Resell, Nick and Andrea, John, everyone, all the guys. They go to car boot sales. But because I'm sitting on an excess of over £1 million of stock, I'm going to be the seller. So I'm going to go and start selling in a car boot sale. I'll see how it goes and see if I can make some money for myself. So, lo and behold, I am off. See you soon. So, this is how it's made. This is how money is made. What I am doing here is an experiment. As a businessman, this will be the first time I've ever done this. This is actually a car boot sale. I've got my car filled with stock from my eBay store and my Amazon store, and I've it all set out, and there it is there. We've got people that are taking and looking at my stock, and it's pretty good so far. I think I've made about 100 quid. So what I'm trying to say to everyone is, if you really do want to make a bit of cash, the only way to do it is to get up off your ass early in the morning, set up your stand, and come to places like this beautiful car boot sale on a beautiful sunny day in outside Lisburn, Drumbo, I think it's called. And yeah, there's nothing wrong with a bit of hard work. Hard work actually does pay, and it doesn't matter. The best news about this business is, between you and me, the viewer, don't tell the tax man. This is a good cash business that cannot be regulated by the Inland Revenue. So as far as I'm concerned, that's the way to make a bit of money on the side. So there it is, how to make money. I'm going to continue making money today. I'll probably give you an update on the channel about this, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. So what have I done? I think I've made about 200 to 300 quid selling my gear. There's it all there. I'm going to have to go and show you. This is all I've been selling. People have been buying lots of wee bits and pieces off me. But look, where's my girl? Where is she? Here she is. Come on, Bubba. Come on, you. Come on. I'm going to have to hold her out here. Hold on here. Wait out. Come on, you. Come on, darling. Oh, yeah, yeah, Bubba, yeah, yeah, Bobo. Should we go and say hello to the camera? Yeah? Go and say hello to the camera? Here we go. Say hello to the camera. Ooh. Mwah. You all right? So we are doing very well, aren't we, puppy? Huh? We're doing very well, selling lots of products. It's actually really, really good. It was a good day's sales. I mean, I don't think I've really done that much. I think it's only 2 hours so far, and the sales have been very good. So I'm probably going to leave it at that and upload this video and just say to you, guys, if you want to make money, buy a bit of stock, sell a bit of stock. It starts off in things like market trading. I've done it and talked about it forever. Market trading is the way forward, isn't it, puppy? Right, so what did I do today? This is the end of it. It's 12 o'clock and I'm done. So I got up this morning at 6, travelled to Lisburn, got into the thing. I had it all packed, and oh yeah, I just thought it was a rip in my thing. Anyway, where was I? Just stop talking nonsense, Al. So I'm done, just about to get out of my rangy, and I've counted the money, and I have made 380 quid. There it is. That's how you make money. You make money through simply getting up and working hard. 380 quid, 3 hours work. That's it. 380 quid, 3 hours work. What else would you want to do in life? Beautiful morning, going out, enjoying the customers coming to the market. That was me just simply car booting. That's what car booting is. So I've proven that you can make money no matter what you do, and it's a simple video. Just get up and do the work. You'll get the return. And it's cash. Love cash.